Welcome to the deep blue. Today we're diving into 40 incredible sea creatures. Some cute, some weird, and some you've probably never heard of. Let's explore the ocean like never before. Blue whale, the largest animal ever to exist, bigger than any dinosaur. Giant squid. It has eyes the size of dinner plates. Mantis shrimp punches with the force of a speeding bullet. Leafy sea dragon, a master of disguise, looks just like floating seaweed. Blobfish. Looks like a blob only because of deep sea pressure differences. Sunfish. The world's heaviest bony fish can weigh over 2,000 pounds. Hammerhead shark uses its wide hammer-shaped head to detect electric signals from prey hiding in the sand. Peacock mantis shrimp can see more colours than any other creature on Earth. Axolotl can regrow its limbs and even parts of its brain. Great white shark can detect a single drop of blood in millions of gallons of water, thanks to its incredible sense of smell. Mimic octopus can impersonate over 15 different sea creatures, including lionfish, flatfish, and even sea snakes, to fool predators. Lionfish. Beautiful but venomous. Its spines pack a painful sting. Clownfish. Immune to their home anemone's stinging tentacles. Sea dragon. Related to seahorses, but even more whimsical. Sea cucumber can liquefy its body to squeeze through tight spaces. Parrotfish. They sleep in a bubble of their own mucus to hide their scent from nighttime predators. Triggerfish uses powerful jaws to crush hard-shelled prey and can lock its dorsal spine like a trigger to wedge itself safely into crevices. Electric eel can generate enough electricity to knock down a horse. Flamboyant cuttlefish flashes neon colours like a living fireworks show. Horseshoe crab. Its blue blood helps save human lives in medicine. Sea hare, a large gentle sea slug that releases a cloud of purple ink to confuse predators. Humpback whale, famous for their haunting songs, which can travel for miles underwater and may be used to attract mates. Greenland shark. Lives up to 500 years, making it the oldest vertebrate. Butterfly fish. Their bold patterns and eye spots help confuse predators, and many swim in pairs for life. Cardinal fish. Mouth-brooding parents. The males protect their eggs by carrying them safely inside their mouths until they hatch. Lion's mane jellyfish. Though not a fish, this stunning drifter has tentacles that can grow over 100 feet long, longer than a blue whale. Moray eel has a second hidden jaw, like the creature in Alien. Sea urchin. No brain, no heart, yet fully functional. Pufferfish. Inflates like a balloon to avoid predators. Wobbegong shark, a carpet shark that blends perfectly with the ocean floor. Tiger shark. Known as the garbage can of the sea because it eats almost anything. Orca. Killer whale. Not actually a whale, it's the largest dolphin. Gobies. Some goby species form partnerships with shrimp, living together in the same burrow while the shrimp does the digging and the goby stands guard. Swordfish. One of the fastest fish in the ocean. Its streamlined body lets it slice through the water at speeds over 60 miles per hour. Moon jellyfish. Nearly immortal, they can revert to younger stages. Sea star, starfish, can regrow lost arms, and in some species a single arm can grow into a whole new sea star. Giant oceanic manta ray has a wingspan wider than a pickup truck. Decker crab covers its shell with sponges, algae, and even small animals as camouflage, like a walking underwater costume. Vampire squid. Named for its dark, cloak-like webbing, not for drinking blood. Seahorse. The males are the ones that get pregnant. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the ocean's weirdest and most wonderful creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and dive into more videos on the channel.